Good morning to all. Welcome back to my channel. Hi, I'm Ananjan Shaw, the research scholar of CP Raman Global University. Welcome to Smart Classes India. And today I'm going to solve the programming in Python. Week 2, assignment 2, solution of January and April 2025, which last date is 31st March 2025. Now, let's start the assignment 2. Guys, you can see there are near 10 questions. Okay, before attending the question, once we have to refresh the URL because sometimes at the time of submitting it may not be work properly. That's why I again refresh the item. Now let's start the questions. So we are going to attempt the first question here. What is a diagrammatic representation considered effective? Okay, 4 options are given. So out of these 4 options, you can find the option C. It simplifies complex process for easy understanding. Okay, it is the right answer. It simplifies the complex process for a easy understanding. Okay. Then moving to the question number 2, which of the following is a key difference between textual and diagrammatic information? Difference between textual and diagrammatic information. The more appropriate answer goes to diagrammatic information provides a clear and concise representation of a processes. Okay. Diagrammatic information provides a clear and concise representation of a process. So 2 option B is the right answer. Moving to the question number 3, what does terminal symbol in a flowchart? What does terminal symbol in a flowchart? The terminal symbol, it is the beginning or end of a program or sub-process. Okay. So 3 option B is the right answer. Moving to the question number 4, which flowchart symbol represents a decision or branching? A decision or branching. You remember the diamond flowchart. Okay. The diamond flowchart symbol represents a decision or branching points. Moving to the question number 5, what is the main disadvantages of a decision table? Oh, it is asking about disadvantage, not advantage, disadvantage. So the biggest disadvantage of the decision table, it is become more complex as the number of input increases. Okay, so 5 option C is the right answer because they become the more complex as the number of input increases. Moving to the question number 6, what is an algorithm? Okay, what is an algorithm? So algorithm is a finite sequence of unambiguous steps to solve a problem. Okay, it is a finite step, not infinite. It is a finite sequence of unambiguous steps to solve the problem. Moving to the question number 7, which of the following is not the property of algorithm? Is not the property of algorithm. So it is not hardware dependency. Hardware is not that much of a required. It is not the property of algorithm. Rest of the things, that means input, definiteness or unambiguity and fitness is required for a algorithm. But hardware dependency is not required. So 7 option B is the right most appropriate answer. Moving to the question number 8, in an algorithm to find out the area of a rectangles. Okay, to find out the area of a rectangle, which of the following is considered input? So what inputs? We have to give the inputs of the length, we have to give the inputs of the width. Then the length and width of the rectangle must have to know. If you give the length and width of the rectangle, then we can able to calculate the area of a rectangle. So which one is required? 8 option A, the length and width of a rectangle. Moving to the question number 9, what is the main focus of the object-oriented programming? OOPS programming, object-oriented programming. What is the main focus? The main focus is 9C, decomposing a system into objects. Decomposing a system into objects with associated properties and functions. Okay, so 9 option C is the most appropriate answer. So last questions, which programming paradigms uses a modular approach? Modular approach and is easier to read, maintain and debug. We know object-oriented programming. What is object-oriented? It has data abstraction, encapsulations, polymorphism and inheritance. 4 types of things it must be required. So in object-oriented programming, then programming uses a modular approach and it's easier to read, maintain and debug. Okay, so guys, we attempted all the 10 questions. So once again, we have to verify the answer here. Question number 1 is C, question number 2 is B, question number 3 also B, question number 4 answer is C, question number 5 answer C, question number 6 answer C, question number 7 answer B, question number 7 answer B, question number 8 answer A, question number 9 answer C, and question number 10 answer C also. Now I'm going to submit the answer. Yeah, see. After clicking the submit button, the message came, your answer are successfully submitted. You can see, guys. Thank you for taking the assignment 2 of January 2025. Assignment submission date is clearly mentioned here, that is 4:23 minutes Indian Standard Time. And guys, very soon we are going to produce the assignment 3 solutions in front of you. And if you like this video, I hope you can subscribe my channel. You can share this channel with your friends and colleagues so that the other people get the answer of these questions. Till then, take care of yourself, study hard, and prepare for your examinations. All the best. Thank you.